Hey, I came across EarnBay and I really wanted to use this platform, this app to kind of try to make some money. And because there are so many apps which are existing in the world, I tried to first do a research to see if I'll be able to withdraw money. When you read about this app, they say it's an online earning platform open to everyone, allowing you to start making money without any initial investment or special skills. So I was really happy to see that I won't really need to pay any initial payments to start using it. So the first thing I did is I tried to look into the people who have used this platform so that I can really get to understand their experience, what they liked and the bads and all that stuff. Okay. So I went through the reviews. The current reviews are really not really good, and someone saying I dedicated a different amount of time to play games, and okay, this one's not really good. And he's saying like, okay, for him, it feels like it's a scam. Someone else said this is a waste of time. You should have realized this is not nothing more than a scam. This is May. Then another one said something which actually I realized it's in many other, so many reviews. It says like, no matter how many offers I completed, the withdraw option never unlocked. It's just a trick to make users watch ads and do tasks for their benefit. There's no real payout. Temporary fake and misleading. Don't waste your time and all that stuff. So, some apps really have good and bad reviews, but when I came to EarnBay, I realized actually there's so many complaints and they're all unanswered. I read another review and someone saying, I really worked hard to collect coins on eBay, on EarnBay. After reaching the required number of coins, they asked me to complete 10 tasks to complete my money, to withdraw my money. I completed 7 tasks successfully, but no matter how much I put into the last 3, they just couldn't get marked as I tried. So this one says this is like total scam or something, but don't trust it. I read others, and this one says don't give money. I earn more than 0.7 runs on this app. Okay, withdraw. They asked me like to complete one offer to kind of withdraw. So there are multiple people actually who are like, you know what, when you want to withdraw from this app, you're kind of told to do other tasks, something which I've seen in many apps when you try to, so this one says I already reached the minimum amount to withdraw, but I can't withdraw because I need to do eight more offers. So personally for me, guys, I really wanted to check out this app, but the enormous bad reviews on this app has made me to kind of pause and say, let me, try to look for other apps, because I really tried to find even people who are really making some real money on this platform, on Reddit, on TikTok, but I couldn't find. If you're out there and you have earned money on EarnBay, I really appreciate if you can leave me a review on this video. Okay, but as for me, I think I'm going to really relax on this. Okay, I'm not really saying you should not use EarnBay or you should use EarnBay, but if you read in the reviews online on different forums, where I get this platform from someone who was really also confused of how he's going to withdraw his money. So that's why I actually made a video about it. So if you're there and you really made money, you let me know what you think about EarnBay. But as for me, I think I'm going to really try to find other alternatives, okay, concerning money-making platforms. And this is what I can say about EarnBay. I tried to search people on Reddit and other platforms who have made money from this platform. I couldn't find really any. Yet actually the app has more than 1 million downloads. It's actually so popular. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I do app reviews like this to help you find real apps that can help you that can really pay you real money. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss videos like this. Okay. And bye-bye. See you in the next video.